Welcome back to HRM English. Currently, I am standing here in this Shahbag, Dhaka. In this place now, I am observing massive movement is going on. This is nothing but the currently going on movement, which is named Bangla Blockade. This program has been organized by the general students. This is going to be a matter of national concern because we have been watching this program is being organized by all the public university students.
I will request the Honorable Prime Minister and the other ministry and the cabinet that they should consider about our demand, and our demand is totally logical and rightful, and we do not demand anything wrong.
This movement is now observing by a national college. This protest for the discriminations in the job sector, in the first grade job.
We have only one demand for this quota system in all grade of the government job, and having a maximum 5% of the quota for only the backward group of the country, and this quota is only for handcraft and the disabled group of people of the country. We are just telling we are looking for only 5% quota, and this quota will be eligible only for the backward group of the people.
And today we have got news from the appellate division. This news hasn't changed their mind. The protesters, they have been changing their mind. It's not okay because they want a legislative act in the parliament. After then they will be happier, and this is the reason they are now still going on.
Actually, I think it is our constitutional right to have the rights to have the job in the country, and it is totally indiscrimination that the 46% quota goes to the only 1% people of Bangladesh.
And this movement, this is now going to be a public movement because all the students from in this Dhaka city, all the works, they are right now currently gathering here in this Shahbag, and now this Shahbag under the possession for the students. In the last few days we have washed away all the intersections of this Dhaka city were closed under the students.
Our demand is not to the judiciary, we are demanding to the government actually. So we do not have any work with them. The judiciary gave only the first and second class job quota and they demolish it. But we are demanding now the totally 1 to 20 grade jobs that the government will demolish the quota system.
Could you please tell me what is the final demand from this protest?
Our only one demand, on point movement is to demobilize the quota system, and we want to go back to the library, to the reading table. We do not want to get in the road, and it is our only demand to have the right of constitutional rights.
Only demand for the general students that the quota system should by the government act, a legislative act in the parliament. That will be the satisfaction for the general student. Junad Ahmed Shobus from Shahbag. Thank you.